Hi students, in this video we are going to learn a mode problem from out of the book. Mode problem, some problem will be given with the variable. We need to find the variable. Here mode value will be given with you. So here find the value of x if the mode value is 58. So since the table and the mode value is given, first we have to start with the mode formula. We all know that mode is equal to, so easily we can remember it. L plus, that's a lower limit plus. Always everybody want to be in first place, write the F1 first. Then F1 minus F0. From 1 we can subtract only the 0. So you just write the 0. 2 cannot be written. So down also the same way. You write it in this way. F1 minus F0 minus, here which is missing, now 2 is missing, write the F2. So here we have added the F2 extra, so here also you have to add 1 2. So 2 into F1 you should take, multiple by H. H is nothing but class size. Now this is a formula. Usually to do the mode problem we will be finding what is the highest frequency we have to check. So highest value we have to take it as a F1, but here the x is given, so we cannot decide which is a big number. So what we should do is we have to look at the mode answer. What is the mode answer given in the question? 58. So 58 is a mode value. We have to look into the class interval. In this class interval 58 will come in between 50 and 60. That should be selected as a model class because 58 will lies between 50 and 60. That should be selected as a model class. So this will be your F1. So before F1 it will be F0. After F1 it will be F2. Now in this model class, that first number, that is a lower limit, is called L. Now H is nothing but class size. Class size is, what is the interval gap? 20 to 30, 30 to 40, everything is given with a gap 10. So H is 10 only. That is a class size. So let's write all the value from the table. So here F0 value we have taken x, F1 value is 20 and F2 value it is 18 and your L value is 50. Now we have found all the value. We have to substitute in this formula. We can get the x value now. Now mode is equal to the formula. Mode value is given with 58. So you just take it, 58 equal to L value is 50. So write the 50 plus F1. F1 value 20 minus F0. F0 is x divided by 2 into F1, that is 2 into 20. 2 into F1 minus F0. F0 is x minus F2. F2 is 18. So 18. Multiple by H. H is 10. So write the 10 here. Now the plus 50 you can take it to this side. That will become a minus 50. So 58 minus 50 equal to, so here the simplification, numerator 20 minus x by, here 2 into 20 will be 40 minus x minus 18 we are getting, here multiple by 10. So 58 minus 50 will give you 8, which is equal to, this one multiplication 10, you bring it to this side, that will become division. So 8 by 10 is equal to 20 minus x by, here 40 and 18 both are number that can be subtracted. So 40 minus 18 will give you 22 minus x we are getting. So 8 and 10 we can cancel by 2 table. 2 4s are, 2 5s are. To get the x value, let's do the cross multiplication. So here we have 4. Now this 22 minus x we are taking this side. Here we have 20 minus x already. We are taking 5 to that side. So here we are getting 5. Now multiply inside. 4 into 22 will be 88 minus 4 into x, 4x. Here 25s are 100 and 5 into x, 5x. Now bring all the x to one side, number to another side. So let's have the x this side. So minus 4x we are having. This minus 5x you just bring to this side, that is plus 5x equal to 100 plus 88, bring it to that side, minus 88. So minus 4 plus 5 will give you plus 1x is equal to 100 minus 88 will be 12. So get your x value is your question. So x is equal to 12 is your correct answer. By looking at the table you can check your answer. My x value is 12 we are getting. This should be smaller than the F1 value. So we are getting 12 only. So your answer is correct. That's all students. Thank you for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.